Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George. The Ass and His Masters. Once, in a village, there lived an ass and his master. His master was a herb seller. An ass, belonging to the herb seller, who used to give him too little food and too much of work. Every day, the donkey carried the herbs from his house to the shop. One day, the ass made a petition to Jupiter to be released from his present service and provided with another master. Jupiter, after warning him that he would repent his request, caused him to sold to a tile maker. The tile maker made the donkey carry the heavy load. Shortly afterward, finding that he had heavier loads to carry and harder work in the wheat fields, he petitioned for another change of master. Jupiter telling him that it would be the last time that he would grant his request. The donkey was finally with his new master, the tanner. As the ass found that he had fallen into the worst hands, and knowing his master's occupation, said, "It would have been better for me to either starve by one or overworked by the other of my former masters, than to have been bought by my present owner who will even after I am dead tan my hide and made me useful for him." The ass later repented of what he had done, and he never ever stayed happy.